In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add GIPHY GIFs to your Canva projects. Whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or just want to add a bit of flair to your design, incorporating GIPHY GIFs can be a fantastic way to bring your creations to life. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up Canva. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly user-friendly online design tool. From creating stunning graphics to editing videos, Canva has got you covered. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the Canva home screen where the design possibilities are endless. Now, let's move on to the next step. Head over to the left-hand toolbar and locate the Apps option. Clicking on Apps will open up a variety of third-party integrations that Canva offers. These integrations can expand your creative toolbox, making it easier to include rich media into your designs. It's like having a treasure chest of tools at your fingertips. In the search bar, type GIPHY. GIPHY is one of Canva's integrations that brings a vast library of animated GIFs right into your workspace. Imagine having access to a universe of GIFs without ever leaving Canva. That's the magic of integration. Once you've typed GIPHY, hit enter. You'll see the GIPHY app listed there. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to an area that displays a plethora of GIF options. This is where the fun truly begins, as you can browse through an almost limitless collection of animated clips. These animations can help add emotion, humor, or a pop of excitement to your design, ensuring it stands out. The GIPHY gallery is indexed and searchable, making it easier than ever to find exactly what you're looking for. At this point, you can search for any keywords that might align with your design theme or purpose. For instance, let's use laughing as our keyword. This will pull up all the GIFs related to laughter, giving you a variety of options to choose from. Browsing through these can be a delightful experience as you discover GIFs that perfectly capture the essence of what you're trying to convey. Once you find a GIF that resonates with your project, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. The GIF will effortlessly add itself to your Canva design, allowing you to move and resize it as you see fit. You now have an animated element integrated into your design that can captivate an audience and deliver your message with added flair. And just like that, you've successfully added a GIPHY GIF to your Canva project. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your work, making your designs more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.